Alright, so it looks like somebody's penetrated the pipe here. See that hole on the left and a hole on the right, like they were doing horizontal directional drilling, and they went through the pipe and then they removed it. There's definitely a hole there. You got a crack on the top of the pipe there. And then you got your clean out for the right-of-way line. And there's the green pipe for the county pipe. That's 6 inch. See how the camera just dropped in there? Hopefully they'll replace all that for you. Anyway, let's come back and locate that break, because that's probably going to need to be dug up eventually. And that way you'll know where it is. Alright, so we got that clean out located. That's the right-of-way clean out. And there's the break. And there's the, it looks like horizontal directional drilling to me. Let's just mark it right here on this side of it. And that way we know where the extent is.